Prince William and Kate have been tipped to be preparing a new long-term strategy that would fundamentally change the roles of Prince and Princess of Wales. Among the core changes, there would be a sensible reduction of stage-managed events in order to have more meetings with people and a real feel of the issues the royals are dealing with. A source described as close to Prince William told the Mail on Sunday, "The Duke doesn't like stage-managed events. When he talks in a speech he wants it to be more natural and credible. An event where he is interacting and reacting to people rather than an event designed around him about what he wants to say. He doesn't just want to do round-table talks without properly getting to grips with the issues." Moreover, this new plan would see the Cambridges focusing only on a few core issues rather than covering dozens of topics by supporting hundreds of associations and patronages. The source added, "There will also be new ways in which to interact with people and become credible and comfortable in 5 or 6 core subjects. The goal would be to play a greater role in the charities and patronages the royals would retain rather than spreading themselves too thin." The newspaper also claimed the overhaul plan include the Duke harnessing his media training to make more TV appearances and deploying Kate, one of the most popular members of the firm, in more solo visits and tours. Indeed, Kate's solo 2-day journey to Copenhagen was a resounding success. The Duchess traveled to Denmark on a mission to learn more about the country's world-leading approach on the early years, which has become one of her main topics of interest. During the trip, she undertook several engagements alone, listening to mothers and experts as well as sharing her own insights. She also met Queen Margrethe II for an official audience and Crown Princess Mary, with whom Kate struck up a friendship more than a decade ago during the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge's visit to Denmark. This foreign visit was particularly important as it showed how confident Kate has grown in her royal role since tying the knot with Prince William.